Good morning, students. Today we will learn 4 basic exercises to stay fit and active. It also helps to avoid obesity and health related problem. The first exercise is stretching. The role of stretching is very important before starting any other physical activity. Now we will learn how to perform stretching exercise. First of all, sit with the back straight. Stretch both the legs as wide as comfortable. Hold the left knee with the left hand. Lift the right hand to the top of the head and leaning towards the left while leaning leftward. Stretch the right part of the body as much as you comfortably can. Keep breathing normally. Repeat it on the other side. Possible benefit of the exercises are increases the range of movement in the joint, reduces tension in muscles, improves muscle coordination and enhance blood circulation in the body. The next exercise is bridge lift. It works on the thigh, ab and hips. Now we will learn the bridge lift exercise. First of all, lie flat on the back. Keep the hands on the sides and the knees bent. Place the feet shoulder width apart, pushing the body with the heels. Lift the hips off the ground while keeping the back straight. Breathe out and hold the position for about a second. Come back to the initial position while breathing in. Possible benefit of exercise are reduce lower back and knee pain, improves body posture, stretches the chest, back and spine, enhance flexibility and improves balance. The next exercise is child pose or back stretch. That is a mat exercise. Make sure you have a padded mat surface. Now we will learn how to perform back stretch exercise. Kneels on the mat with the hips on the heels, keeping the toes together. Open the knees hip distance apart. Lean forward and drop the body over the thigh so that the forehead rests on the floor. Stretch the arms straight to the front. Possible benefit of the exercise are stretches the thighs, ankle and hips, reduce stress and fatigue and relax the upper body muscles. The next exercise is squat. Squat might help to manage obesity and could be good for losing weight. Now we will learn how to perform squat exercise. Keep the feet shoulder width apart. Bend the knees like sitting on a chair while holding the heels on the ground. While doing this, pull in the abs and keep the back straight. Push the hips back and lower as much as it is comfortable. Inhale while lowering and exhale while rising. Possible benefit of exercise are improve blood circulation, good for our digestive system, can be done anywhere without any accessories, and burn unnecessary fat and maintain body weight. Now assignments for you children. First of all, practice all 4 exercises at your home. Ask your doubts and queries. Make a video of your exercise and send it to the class WhatsApp group. Thank you.